Hello everyone, my name is Satyam Shivaach and I am working as a legal intern with LEXIS and Company. And in this video, we will discuss about trade license and how to apply for a trade license. Starting off with what is trade license. A trade license is a document or a certificate that gives permission to applicant who is seeking to open a business to commence a particular trade or business in a particular or specified area or location. It ensures that the business or trade is carried by adhering to all the standard of safety which has been issued by the state municipal corporation. It protects the resident from being affected by any health hazards. However, the license does not allow the holder to carry out any other trade or business than what has been mentioned or has been issued. Furthermore, the license does not pass on any kind of property, the ownership to the holder of the licensee. Then why is there need of trade license? In the last more than 40 years, trade license has been introduced in our country and has been regulated through Municipal Corporation Act by the state governments. This helps in ensuring that no one is severely affected by nuisances and health hazards of any trade or business. It has been made necessary by the state government to carry out particular businesses or trade in a particular area and to ensure that no one is carrying out any unethical business practices. The license create a harmony in the society that every business is being followed or relevant rules, guidelines and obeying the safety measures. The license was made mandatory to make sure that the government can regulate various trade activities in our country. Core objective is to control the location by restricting the people from executing certain type of businesses from their home location to maintain the business environment and locality environment. Then what is the authority or who can issue trade license? It can be issued by the licensing department of the municipal corporation in various departments like industries, engineering, health and etc. The Government of India authorizes the license in a manner to regulate in cities across the nation. It grants permission by the way of letter or document which or certificate to carry out any business or trade where it has been located. The issuance of the license varies from state to state depending on the local government agencies. Now what are the main objectives of trade license? The government issue the license for the fulfillment of business and the main objectives are to regulate business within a particular locality or municipality. Next, to ensure any anti-competitive practice which are not followed within the particular locality or municipality, and to monitor the activities of a business. Apart from this, local authorities can keep a constant check on the activities conducted by a businessman. Next is issuing such a license would indicate that a business is following compliance with respect to the government, and a local authority can check if a business is breaching any law or causing any nuisance in the society through this license. The next is business, with such licenses are more reputed in the eyes of consumer. Consumer would have more confidence in that business. The next is by securing a license, a businessman would not use their residential premises to conduct any business. Hence, this form of regulation ensures that the business are regulated good. The next is it also forms a license and to regulate the use of environment friendly and the good substances for that to conduct activities within a particular locality. Moreover, hazardous and other chemical substances are not allowed when it comes to residential and municipal limits. The business having its form of license would take the necessary precaution while carrying out any particular activity. Business having the license would also follow the guidelines issued by the municipal and state government. Then you must be thinking what are the categories of the trade license. There are mainly three categories. First is industrial license, second is shop license, and the third is food establishment license. The industrial license provide license for any small, medium or large scale manufacturing factories, whereas shop licenses provide license to any dangerous and offensive trades like a sale of firewood, cracker manufacturer, candle manufacturer, barber shop or laundry shop, etc. Then there is this food establishment license. In this, the restaurant, hotel, food stall, canteen, and sale of meat and vegetable. Moreover, bakeries are included. Then, what are the eligibility to apply for a trade license? The one who is applying should be of age of 18 or more, and must not be having any criminal record whatsoever. Moreover, the business he is being pursuing should be legally permissible by the law. Now, what are the required documents to apply for a trade license? Starting off with the address proof of the business. Second is the ID proof. The third is Aadhaar card. Fourth is PAN card. Fifth is MOA in case of companies. Sixth is certificate of incorporation, same in the case of company. The seventh is the latest municipal property tax receipt in case of premises and owned, else it can be a document or a consent letter from the owner of it can be a lease document also. Then the next is NOC of the neighbors. You must get the NOC from the neighbors around your factory or the location where you are setting up. Then the next is certificate layout plan of the office. Now let's come to the what is the procedure to apply for a trade license. The applicant must follow the following step to apply for the trade license. Before starting to that, there are two methods. One is online and one is offline. We are going to start with the online one. And every different state have their different way of applying. We are going to deal with the Delhi law. So one must need to visit the Delhi Municipal Corporation website, that is MCD. Then you have to select the region among North DMC, South DMC or East DMC. After that, you need to apply for a trade storage license. After clicking trade storage license, you will be able to see the application for new license. After that, you need to click that application for new license, where you will be directed to new trade license application page. The application form for the trade storage license will be displayed, and you need to fill out the right credentials and all the specified details they are asking you. After completing all the details of new trade license, they like regarding the applicant's detail like address, type, what is the type of business, type of license, business detail, NOC from the fire department, fee details, property tax detail. After that, you need to upload some requested documents which is mandatory to upload. After uploading the required document, the document will be verified and a number will be generated, which is being called the application number. After that, you need to make a payment regarding the same, and you will be getting a SMS or email which is notifying you regarding the same. But you need to keep one thing in mind, that while you are making a payment, you need to fill out the UBL name, collection date, collection center, payment mode and bank details. Then after that, you need to make a payment, and once the payment has been received, the authority shall verify and issue a trade license to you. Then there is offline method, which mostly work the same as the online. One needs to approach the municipal corporation physically and need to fill up the application, provide the required mandatory documents to the person, and the MCD will, after verifying, will provide you the credential of the same. That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.